yes, you're here with Nightfall Bliss. Today we're gonna play Would You Press the Button? Let's begin. Okay. You can eat anything without getting fat, but you have diarrhea once a week. Nah, I won't do that. Okay. You can legalize weed, but every time you finish using a bong, you have to drink the bong water. That's not bad because the water is still clear. There's like nothing wrong with it, so yeah. And see, you will become the most intelligent person alive, but your opinions or thought will always be disregarded if it will help society. That's the way I am today, so why not? Okay, Emma Watson falls madly in love with you, but Harry was never written. Nah, cause I like Harry Potter more than Emma. Let's see, would you have as much money as you want, but every day you would have to suffer painful procedures? No. You can go back in time to a mistake you could think you have made in your life and try to make it better, but you could make it better and accidentally make it worse. You can go back and change it again. And I'll press the button. Okay. You get to cure cancer, but your body will deteriorate and you will die within 1 year. Yeah, I'd rather live. You are teleported to a land where people fight each other's Pokemon with their own Pokemon to win fame and money. But you can only return to this universe if you want to every 10 years. Yeah, I'll do it. Hey, what not? Okay. You get to launch a missile at Syria without any reason of doing so, but it will cause global thermonuclear war. Well, I'm not mean like Hillary Clinton, so I will not. For the rest of your life, you will go to sleep on the biggest, softest, most comfortable bed in the world, but it's constantly covered in a layer of crumbs you can never get rid of. Nah. You can travel back into 1985 with US $10,000 to buy Microsoft stock, and sure bet that you'll make you a billionaire, but you will die once and have to purchase the stock, and the only person who will benefit are the ones who leave the and money to in your will. Sure, why not? Okay. It will merely be at the highest possible skill level of any video game or sport you play, but you cannot play competitively or for any form of money. This cannot be undone. Yeah. You get free tickets to any concert you want, but Rebecca Black is opening at. What the hell is Rebecca Black? Oh, uh, I guess because she won't take long on the stage. You can go into the Pokemon world as one Pokemon for the rest of your life, but all your friends go into the Pokemon to catch you and keep contained in the Pokeball, never to save daylight again. I would do it because the Pokemon I want to be is hard to catch. So, yep. Well, okay. MC Hammer makes a comeback, but you have to go to every one of his concerts. Okay, apparently people like MC Hammer.